You need to hear this if you're interested in transforming your health. Today we're diving into the incredible benefits of fasting. It's not just about skipping a meal or two, it's about giving your body a chance to reset and recharge. Whether you're a seasoned faster or just curious, stick around to learn how fasting can transform your health. We're going to break down the science behind fasting and how it impacts your body on a cellular level. Fasting has been shown to have amazing effects on weight loss, blood sugar control, and brain health. So if you're ready to unlock the power of fasting and take control of your health, you're in the right place. Let's be honest, a lot of people are interested in fasting for weight loss and for good reason. When you fast, you naturally reduce your calorie intake because, well, you're not eating for certain periods. But here's where it gets interesting. Fasting goes beyond calorie restriction. It flips a metabolic switch in your body, shifting from burning sugar for energy to burning fat. This metabolic shift is driven by changes in hormones like insulin. When you eat frequently, your insulin levels stay elevated, promoting fat storage. But when you fast, insulin levels drop, allowing your body to tap into those fat reserves. Fasting can also boost your metabolism, helping you burn even more calories throughout the day. So, if you're looking to shed those extra pounds and improve your overall metabolic health, fasting could be a powerful tool in your arsenal. Now let's talk about fasting's impact on blood sugar control, especially for those with type 2 diabetes or at risk of developing it. Type 2 diabetes is characterized by insulin resistance, meaning your body doesn't respond to insulin as efficiently as it should. This leads to high blood sugar levels, which can damage your organs and overall health. Fasting can improve insulin sensitivity, making your body more responsive to insulin again. By reducing the frequency of meals, you give your body a break from constantly producing insulin. Studies have shown that fasting can significantly lower fasting blood glucose levels and improve HbA1c levels. In some cases, the results are comparable to those achieved with medication. Consult with your doctor before making any significant changes to your diet, especially if you're managing a condition like diabetes. Fasting isn't just about what you're not doing, it's about what your body is doing during those fasting periods. Think of it like a cellular spring cleaning, a time for your body to repair and rejuvenate itself. When you fast, your body enters a state called autophagy. It's a natural process where your cells break down and recycle old or damaged components. This process is essential for maintaining cellular health and preventing the accumulation of toxins and malfunctioning proteins. Autophagy has been linked to reduced inflammation, protection against neurodegenerative diseases, and even cancer prevention. It's like hitting the reset button on your cells, promoting longevity and vitality. So while you're fasting, remember that your body is hard at work behind the scenes, optimizing itself for better health. Inflammation is a natural immune response, a way for your body to fight off infection and heal injuries, but chronic low-grade inflammation is a silent troublemaker implicated in a host of chronic diseases, from heart disease to cancer. Fasting has been shown to effectively reduce inflammation throughout the body. It targets inflammation at its source. One way fasting reduces inflammation is by lowering the production of inflammatory molecules called cytokines. By reducing their production, fasting helps to calm the inflammatory response. Furthermore, fasting promotes the activation of anti-inflammatory pathways in the body. This reduction in inflammation can improve symptoms of inflammatory conditions like arthritis, autoimmune disorders, and even skin conditions. It's like sending in the peacekeepers to calm things down and restore balance. Let's talk about your heart, the engine that keeps you going. Heart disease is a leading cause of death worldwide, but many risk factors are preventable through lifestyle changes, including fasting. Fasting can have a profound impact on your cardiovascular health by improving various risk factors. One of the key ways fasting benefits your heart is by lowering blood pressure. Studies have shown that intermittent fasting can lead to significant reductions in both systolic and diastolic blood pressure. Fasting also works wonders for your cholesterol levels. It can lower LDL cholesterol, the bad cholesterol that clogs arteries, while increasing HDL cholesterol, the good cholesterol that removes LDL from your bloodstream. Fasting can also lower triglycerides, another type of fat found in your blood that's linked to heart disease. By keeping your triglycerides in check, you're further reducing your risk of heart problems. Now, who wouldn't want a sharper, more resilient brain? Fasting can enhance brain function in several ways. It increases the production of a protein called brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF, promoting the growth and survival of neurons. This increase in BDNF has been linked to improved cognitive function, memory and learning. Fasting also has neuroprotective effects, helping protect your brain from damage and age-related decline. Studies have shown that fasting can protect against neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's disease. While more research is needed, the initial findings are promising. Fasting could play a role in maintaining brain health as we age. Ever wish you could bottle the fountain of youth? Fasting might be the closest we've got. Growth hormone, often associated with childhood growth spurts, plays a vital role in maintaining overall health throughout adulthood. As we age, our growth hormone levels naturally decline, contributing to many age-related changes. But here's the exciting part: fasting can significantly increase growth hormone secretion. Studies have shown that fasting can boost growth hormone levels by up to 2,000% in some cases. This increase in growth hormone can have numerous benefits, including increased muscle mass, reduced body fat, stronger bones, and even improved skin health. Let's face it, we all want to live longer, healthier lives. Fasting is showing some serious promise in the longevity department. We've already talked about many benefits of fasting that contribute to a longer lifespan, like reducing inflammation, protecting your heart, and boosting brain health. Fasting seems to tap into ancient evolutionary pathways that promote survival. When food was scarce, our ancestors who could survive longer periods without eating had a survival advantage. Studies on animals have shown that calorie restriction, a type of fasting, can significantly extend lifespan. While more research is needed in humans, the early findings are encouraging. We put so much emphasis on what we eat, but what about giving our digestive system a break? When you're constantly eating, your digestive system is working overtime. Fasting gives your gut a much-needed break from the constant digestion and absorption of food. This break allows your gut to focus on other important tasks, like repairing its lining, balancing its microbial ecosystem, and producing digestive enzymes. Fasting has been shown to improve various aspects of gut health, including reducing bloating, improving bowel regularity, and alleviating symptoms of irritable bowel syndrome, IBS. It's like hitting the refresh button on your gut, promoting optimal digestion and overall well-being. So, explore the world of fasting and experience the transformative power of this ancient practice. In today's fast-paced world, mental clarity and focus are more valuable than ever. We're constantly bombarded with information and distractions, making it challenging to stay sharp and focused. Many people report experiencing a heightened sense of mental clarity and focus during fasting periods. It's like a mental fog lifts, leaving you feeling sharper and more alert. Stabilizing blood sugar levels can prevent those energy crashes and brain fog that often accompany fluctuating blood sugar. Fasting can increase the production of ketones, an alternative fuel source for your brain. Ketones are like high-octane fuel for your brain, providing sustained energy and improving cognitive function. So, if you're looking for a natural way to boost your brain power, improve your focus, and feel more mentally alert, incorporating fasting into your routine might be worth considering. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more health tips and information. We're passionate about empowering you to take control of your well-being, and we believe fasting can be a powerful tool in your health journey. We're talking about improving your blood sugar control, reducing inflammation, boosting your brain power, protecting your heart, and even potentially living a longer, healthier life. Fasting is like unlocking a hidden potential within your body, a potential for healing, rejuvenation, and optimal health. Consult with your healthcare provider to find the best approach for you. Happy fasting!